Try to stay conscious of God as you go step by step through this day. His presence with you is both a promise and a protection. After his resurrection, he assured his followers, "Surely I am with you always." That promise was for all of his followers, without exception. The promise of God's presence is a powerful protection. As you journey through your life, there are numerous pitfalls along the way. Many voices clamor for your attention, enticing you to go their way. A few steps away from your true path are pits of self-pity and despair, plateaus of pride and self-will. If you take your eyes off of God and follow another's way, you are in grave danger. Even well-meaning friends can lead you astray if you let them usurp God's place in your life. The way to stay on the path of life is to keep your focus on him. Awareness of his presence is your best protection. Therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles, and let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us. Let us fix our eyes on Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith, who for the joy set before him endured the cross, scorning its shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God. Hebrews 12 verses 1-2. And teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age. Matthew 28 verse 20.